Yo guys, and welcome back to a new video on the channel. This is a video especially for the Cardano holders. So guys, if you're a Cardano holder, make sure to watch the video till the end, because yes guys, today we will be going into depth about what Cardano can be possibly doing in the coming days here. And are you willing to sell your Cardano right now, or are you willing to buy it right now? In my opinion, right away, going to say it, you really should be buying this selling off here. So guys, if this sounds interesting, make sure to right away smash up that like button if you haven't already. Make sure to do so right now. And of course, guys, what is also very important is to ring the bell notification on the channel, because then you're not going to miss out of these time-related videos. So guys, without any further ado, let's go right away into the video. So in this video, we will be specifically talking about the Cardano price, and what you can see what is currently going on here is that Cardano was forming this major level of resistance. We've been talking about this level multiple times on the channel, of course. We've been talking about this level before breaking out of it, but right now, of course, we already saw the breakout a few days ago, and of course, since having that retest on that level, we were, of course, definitely providing a lot of fuel, and of course, it boosted the price towards a new all-time high. So people are texting me right now. People are saying, Rover, Cardano, of course, looks to be topped out here. I bought Cardano on total $2.40 here. Do I want to be selling right now? Should I be cutting my losses? I mean, I should be rather saying to you guys, of course, in my own opinion, it's the best strategy is to dollar cost average more into it. Because yes, guys, why should you be selling on this massive level of support? We are flipping this previous resistance line into support, and you are willing to sell on support. That is definitely not a strategy that I am currently utilizing. And of course, it is still looking particularly well here for the price action of Cardano, in my opinion, because yes guys, in general, if you zoom in a little bit here, you can see right away we are forming an uptrend. We are setting higher lows instead of lower lows. No, we are setting higher lows. So definitely we are seeing an uptrend. Besides that, we are also setting higher highs. So this, of course, the perfect ingredients for an uptrend, and of course the perfect ingredients to buy the dip here. So I should be definitely saying to you guys, no, you should not be willing to sell your Cardano, because yes, my price targets are sitting way higher, and I will be going as well into my coming price targets of today here. But before we go in depth of the video, guys, make sure to also sign up with the Bybit link in the description, because Bybit is currently offering you a $2,610 deposit bonus. Besides that, guys, if you don't like leverage trading, you can be also signing up with Femex, because Femex, you can be just spot trading as well here. And if you want to be buying some Cardano to just purely spot trade, you can be doing it on Femex. And while spot trading, you can get this $2,000 deposit bonus completely for free. So make sure to utilize these links in the description. Definitely worth to check out. Only another 6 days left for this one, and also only another week here for the Bybit one. So make sure to sign up already, because if you're signing up already, you're going to utilize the good bonus, of course. So Cardano is definitely very exciting, and I should definitely say to you guys, yeah, I mean, in my opinion, you don't want to be holding no Cardano. And I think as well here that we are currently seeing a very good buying opportunity. Earlier today, I was doing the live stream. Unfortunately, guys, the live stream was now not working. You can see it over here. We only did it for 43 minutes. There were a lot of issues with my connection. I just called with the provider as well, and they're trying to solve my issue, because there is clearly an issue in my room with not good internet connection. So they're going to solve it anytime soon here. Hopefully, it can be solved as soon as possible, because yes, guys, it will be very important for me to do more of these streams here, because yes, I want to have the most amount of interaction. But yeah, definitely will be uploading the most amount of content for you guys, even though I can't stream right now. So what is very important for Cardano, you can see over here the gray box of resistance. You can see massive resistance was getting formed here in this gray box. You can see 3 massive touches here in 2018, here in 2019, and 2020. Each and every time once touching this level, we were seeing major corrections compared to Ethereum. And of course, a while ago we broke above it, and since seeing the breakout towards the upside, we of course found support on this level, and since then we were breaking below it, and of course creating this beautiful falling wedge scenario. But guys, what you can see right now here as well is, yes, we once again broke above the gray box here. I was very scared that we were going to find a lot of resistance on this level, but currently what you can see over here, since we were breaking above this level here, you of course retraced and of course already successfully found very beautiful support. So what is this telling us? This is telling us that this previous resistance line is once again flipping into support. Good things to see, bright days ahead of us. So the increasement towards the price target of Cardano, we're definitely going to reach it. And of course, after having this successful retest, I think we're going to see this price target getting reached in a very rapid pace here. Because yes, no coin, no chart goes up in a straight line. As well for Cardano compared to Ethereum, it will be moving up in waves towards its price target. So Of course, this is a very good step, and I do think that we can be seeing some more momentum towards the upside getting created. We are already in an uptrend right now, and like I told you before, on the streams, on the channel, Cardano compared to Ethereum tends to move in waves, and it is right now looking to be Cardano season. So, yeah, Cardano is looking very strong here, in my opinion, compared to Ethereum. So, if we're talking about terms of which altcoin is going to perform better, is it Ethereum, is it Cardano? I think that I have to be on the side of Cardano right now, because yes, Cardano looks extremely good right now, clearing this major level of resistance, breaking out of the falling wedge. Guys, the bullishness is just on our side here, and you don't want to be bearish at all on Cardano right now. Besides that, also compared to Bitcoin, guys, it has been seeing an insane increasement as well here. It has been seeing this insane increasement, and of course, we spiked above this level over here. We spiked above the previous all-time previous top here in 2018. In the bear market, we were creating this this lower high structure, and we just recently broke through this level, of course. And what do I expect right now? Because yes, like I told you before, no coins goes up, and no single coin goes up in a straight line. But for Cardano compared to Bitcoin, we can be seeing a retracement towards this previous high over here. And of course, once we're seeing that retracement, this will be pretty bullish, because we're just testing previous resistance as support, and we can be looking for some higher prices. So yeah, Cardano compared to Bitcoin looks very strong in my opinion. And of course, if we're going to see this retracement coming in here towards this level, we can be definitely looking for some higher prices. So yeah, bright days once again ahead of us as well for Cardano compared to Bitcoin. Cardano compared to Ethereum looking very strong, and that is the reason why I once again making this update here, guys, because I always make updates about coins that are looking strong here. Of course, I will be always as well, if a coin looks very worse, I will be updating you guys as well to go out of it. But currently, Cardano is just showing a lot of strength, and I should rather say to you guys, no, you want to be accumulating some Cardano rather than standing over here. So that is the reason why I will be talking about Cardano a lot right now, and I definitely think we are looking very strong here. And even though it has been decreasing today very significantly compared to Bitcoin, of course, a little bit more compared to Ethereum is a little bit the same, of course. But yeah, people are freaking out here. People are saying, should I go out of it? No reason for me to panic. I mean, yeah, you can be looking at multiple levels of horizontal support as well here. You can see we can be, excuse me, you can see over here, you can be setting up in horizontal level over here, because yeah, this is a major level of horizontal support, and you can see, yeah, we are currently finding very beautiful support on this line here. So yeah, this is looking particularly well here, finding support on that level. Besides that, yeah, the Fibonacci, we can be still moving up a little bit here, and you can see over here the 1.618 was providing major resistance in the past. We can definitely still create a big wick on the lower side here and continue once again towards the $1.93 here. Then of course we once again are getting supported by the 1.618 here in the Fibonacci chart. So everything can still happen here, guys. We're still 14 hours away from the daily candle close. Yes, if the daily candle will be closing below this level, this previous level of resistance, previous level of support will be right now acting as resistance once again, and we can be possibly looking for some lower prices. So yeah, let's see what we will be doing. I would rather hope to see Cardano closing above the $1.92 here for today's candle close. But yeah, if we're going to close below it, I really still want to be seeing Cardano closing above the $1.76, because that is also major resistance in the past. So let's see what it will be doing here. In general, I feel very excited about Cardano, because yeah, the Ethereum and Bitcoin valuation are still looking very strong, and these are the key indicators that we are looking for an insane spike towards the upside in the coming days here. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed this quick update. Of course, very unfortunate that the stream did not work here. Hopefully you guys still enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think of Cardano right now here. Do you think we want to be bullish? Do you think we want to be bearish? But I currently feel extremely excited still by Cardano. So still will be saying to you guys, accumulating, not sitting still here. And of course, don't forget to as well ring the bell notification to the channel, guys. It will be very important to do so, because yes, I will be uploading more emergency videos. If I see something playing out on Bitcoin or Cardano, a specific pattern, of course, playing out, I will be keeping you guys up to date. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Once again, I will be trying to upload this video as soon as possible. So I will be wrapping it up right now. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and peace out.